Good morning, science buddy. Welcome to your science class. Before we start, let's go back to your past lesson. Direction: identify what is being described. Write your answer on the blank provided. It gives us energy to work, play, and grow. The answer is food. Humans and animals breathe this to live. The answer is air. Plants need this from the sun to make their own food. The answer is sunlight. Number 4. It is the place where humans lives and plants grow. The answer is soil or shelter. 5. Without this, both humans and plants will die of thirst. The answer is water. Good job, kids! Do you have pets at home? What kind of pet do you have? This is my pet. I have a dog or different kinds of dog and cats. How do you take care of them? You provide clean water, give them food, give them shelter, keep them clean and healthy, and show love and care. Today, we will discuss the basic needs of living things, especially the animals. But before that, this is our objectives. 1. Identify and explain the 4 basic needs of animals: food, water, air, and shelter. 2. Show concern and appreciation for animals by expressing the importance of providing proper care and shelter for pets and farm animals. 3. Design and draw a shelter for their chosen pet, labeling the parts that keeps the animals safe and healthy. This is the basic needs of human, plants, and animals, including sun or sunlight, air, water, soil or shelter, and food. Let's explain every basic needs of these living things. The sun gives energy to the whole world. It warms in the earth and helps water evaporate from the ground. Most importantly, the sun provides energy for plants to make their own food through photosynthesis. Without the sun, plants cannot grow, and if plants cannot grow, animals will have nothing to eat. This shows that the animals also depend on the sun energy for their food and survival. Next is the air. The air is one of the most important needs of all living beings on the earth. The largest part of air is called nitrogen. Oxygen is the second most important gas because it helps humans, animals, and plants to live. Animals, just like humans, breathe and oxygen to survive. Without air, animals would not be able to breathe, move, or stay alive. Next is soil or shelter. Soil serves as the home for almost all organisms. It contains minerals, important substances, and organic materials needed to sustain life. For animals, soil provides shelter for many creatures such as worms, ants, rabbits, and other burrowing animals. It also grows plants that animals eat for food. Without soil, many animals would lose both their shelter and their sources of food. Next is water. Water is very important for all living things. Plants need it to make their food. Animals need water to live, and people use it for many activities. About 70% of the earth is covered with water, and 30% of it is the land. However, only 3% of this water is fresh or drinkable because 97% is salt water. The 3% fresh water that animals and humans can drink is found in the lakes, rivers, and whales. Animals cannot survive without water. They drink it to stay alive, and it's helped them stay strong and healthy. Without water, animals would become weak, sick, and eventually die. Animals also need food. Food is one of the basic needs of humans and animals. It can come from meat or plants. Food provides the nutrients that help shape our physical body and give us strength. It also helps us to live longer and perform our daily activities well. For animals, food is very important because it gives them the energy to move, grow, or reproduce and to survive. Without food, animals will become weak and eventually die. Next is the habitat or tirahan. Habitat is a place where people, animals, and plants live, grow, and to survive. Just like human who lives in houses, animals also have their own homes such as water, land, forest, or the sky. Plants, on the other hand, grow depending on the condition they need, such as cold, hot, or moderate places. Habitat is important because it provides food, water, air, and protection that helps them continue to live. All living things have basic needs to survive. Humans need food, water, air, shelter, and clothing to stay healthy. Animals also need food, water, air, and shelter, as well as space to live. Plants need sunlight, water, air, soil, and the right temperature to grow. Meeting these needs help human, animals, and plants live and continue their life cycle. Did you learn our activity? Let's proceed to your activity. Direction: match the column A with the correct answer in column B. Write the letter of your answer on the blank. I'll give you 1 minute to answer this activity.
T-1 minute. T-50 seconds. T-40 seconds. T-30 seconds. T-20 seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Let's answer your activity. Number 1, food. Letter B. Provide energy and nutrients. May come from plants, meat, or both. Number 2, water. Letter D. Needed for drinking, digestion, and keeping the body strong. 3, air or oxygen. Letter A. Needed by animals to breathe and stay alive. Fish get this through their gills. 4, shelter. Letter C. Safe place that protect animals from weather and enemies. And last, space. Letter E. allows animals to move around, hunt, and reproduce. For a second activity, instruction, draw inside the circle the basic needs of human, animals, and plants. The basic needs of animals are shelter, sunlight, air, water, and food. For a third activity, instruction, write inside the box what is the human, animals, and plant needs according to the pictures. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. And number 5. Good job, kids! You saw a neighbor puppy left outside in the heat without water or shelter. What would you do to show care and responsibility for the animals? I will give the puppy clean water to drink so it will not get thirsty and sick. I will also remind the owner to take care of the puppy because animals need food, water, and shelter just like humans. Making sure the puppy has a safe place to stay will protect it from the heat of the sun and from danger. By doing this, I show kindness, responsibility, and concern for animals. Remember, animals like humans need food, water, air, shelter, and space to survive. Food provides them with energy and nutrients to grow, move, and stay healthy. While water keeps them hydrated, it helps in digestion and prevent weakness. Air or oxygen is important for breathing and keeping them alive. Shelter protects animals from heat, rain, cold, and enemies, and space allows them to move freely, search for food, and reproduce. Without these basic needs, animals cannot live long and healthy lives. For your last activity, direction, choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. What are the 5 basic needs of animals? A. Food, toys, air, clothes, friends. B. Food, water, air, shelter, space. C. Water, car, food, gadget, air. D. Shelter, food, water, clothes, and air. Number 2. Why do animals need shelter? A. To have fun and play. B. To look beautiful. C. To protect themselves from danger and weather. D. To learn how to read and write. Number 3. If a fish is taken out of water, what will happen to it? A. It will live longer. B. It will become stronger. C. It will die because it cannot breathe. D. It will grow faster. Number 4. How are the shelter of a bird and a rabbit different? A. A bird lives in a nest, while rabbit lives in the burrow. B. A bird lives in a cave, while rabbit lives in water. C. A bird lives in a house, while rabbit lives in a cage. D. Both live in trees. Number 5. Imagine you found a weak and thirsty puppy on the street. What will you do to help it to survive? A. Leave it alone and ignore it. B. Give it water and food and keep it safe. C. Play with it without giving food. D. Take a picture of it and walk away. For your assignment, answer the following worksheet. Did you enjoy our lesson for today? I hope you have learned. See you next time. Goodbye.